Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the importance of HTML or hypertext markup language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. Importance of HTML or Hypertext Markup Language. HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is a fundamental language used for creating web pages and structuring the content on the internet. It plays a crucial role in web development and it is considered essential for several reasons. Number 1. Structure and semantics. HTML provides a standard way to structure the content of a web page. It defines a set of elements that represent different types of content, such as headings, paragraphs, lists, tables, and more. By using these elements properly, developers can create a well-organized and semantically meaningful structure for their web pages. This helps search engines understand the content and improves accessibility for users with disabilities who rely on assistive technologies. Number 2. Cross-platform compatibility. HTML is a platform-independent language. It can be rendered and interpreted by any modern web browser, regardless of the operating system or device. This cross-platform compatibility makes HTML an ideal choice for creating websites that can be accessed and viewed on different devices such as computers, smartphones, tablets, and even smart TVs. Number 3. Content presentation. HTML works in conjunction with CSS or cascading style sheets to control the presentation and layout of web page content. HTML defines the structure while CSS defines the visual styles such as colors, fonts, spacing, and positioning. By using HTML, developers can separate the content from the presentation, making it easier to maintain and update the design of a website. Number 4. Hyperlinks and navigation. HTML introduced the concept of hyperlinks, which are clickable elements that allow users to navigate between different web pages and resources. Hyperlinks enable seamless navigation with a website and facilitate the interconnectedness of information across the internet. They are a fundamental feature of the World Wide Web and have transformed the way we access and consume information online. Number 5. Integration with other technologies. HTML is often used in conjunction with other technologies in scripting languages such as CSS or cascading style sheet, JavaScript, and server-side languages like PHP or Python. HTML provides a foundation for integrating interactive elements, dynamic content, and server-side processing into web pages. This combination of technologies allows for the creation of feature-rich and dynamic web applications. Number 6. SEO. Search Engine Optimization. HTML plays a significant role in optimizing web pages for search engines. Proper use of HTML elements, including headings, meta tags, alt attributes for images, and semantic markup can improve a website's visibility and ranking in search engine results. By structuring content with HTML, developers can provide search engines with meaningful information about the page, making it easier for search engines to index and understand the content. In summary, HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is of paramount importance in web development because it provides the foundation structure, semantics, and compatibility required for creating well-organized, accessibility, and interactive web pages. It is the backbone of the World Wide Web, enabling the presentation and dissemination of information across different devices and facilitating seamless navigation and integration with other technologies. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation about the importance of HTML or hypertext markup language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.